Hey there everybody, this is Patrick Evans-Hylton with Virginia Eats and Drinks, and I'm also the culinary advisor for Norfolk Festevents, and we're here on FETV tonight to talk about the Bayou Bon Vivant that's coming up at Town Point Park. I'm so excited about this. It's all kinds of great Louisiana inspired foods that are made in many cases with local ingredients here, so you could kind of say it's New Orleans meets Norfolk in some ways here. It's coming up on Friday, May 14th and Saturday the 15th. Get on Festevents.org, that's Festevents.org for more information. The event is open, free to the public, but there are limited spaces available, but you can also drive through and get some great food also from different food trucks and other vendors too, to get that ooh-wee Louisiana taste right in your mouth there. But if you want to kind of celebrate before or after, I want to talk about one of the dishes that that uses some ingredients that you may see at the Bayou Bon Vivant. One of them is andouille sausage. So this is a classic French style sausage. It's got some peppers in it. It's pork base. It's got seasoning. You'll know it when you taste it because it's absolutely fabulous. A lot of times you find it in gumbo or etouffee or some of the other dishes too, but we're going to use it and make another New Orleans classic, po' boys. So I have some really nice dinner rolls here. And then the other two components are some giardiniera. And so basically that's a pickled vegetables. I see some olives in here, some celery, some cauliflower, some carrots, some roasted red peppers. And so this is kind of a little bit like that relish that they put on the muffulettas that you get at Central Grocery that's so good. And then we also have something that I just finished whipping up. This is my Cajun mustard, and so it's equal parts Dijon mustard for that French influence, and also Greek yogurt, which gives it a nice tang, but also a good body, and it's also a little bit healthier than using mayonnaise. And then I put some Cajun seasoning in it, and then I stir it up. So all of these recipes and everything are going to be on my Facebook page at facebook.com/group/Virginia Eats and Drinks. So be sure to check that out. But here's how we're going to assemble our po' boys. We're going to take one of these beautiful rolls here. I'm just going to set these over here for right now. And then I'm going to take some of the sausage. When I grilled them, if you notice, I cut the sausages not only in half vertically, but in half horizontally too. So I'm going to stack one of those there, and then I'm going to cross hatch it and stack it there. Then I'm going to put on a nice dollop of our mustard. Oh yeah. And this has such a wonderful smell to it too. And then I'm going to spoon on some of the giardiniera. Now giardiniera, you can find this at most grocery stores and with the pickles because it is pickled vegetables. So the kind that I bought in the jar was a little larger cut than I wanted, so I just diced these up. And right on top here of the mustard, I'm going to put some of that giardiniera. There we go. And then I'm going to put the cap back on this. And then look at that. Look how good that is. That is so fabulous. And it came together very quickly. You could have a little party of these as appetizers. You could make a larger traditional po' boy size. You could do so many different things with this. But what you want to do too, before or after you eat these, is make sure you get to the Bayou Bon Vivant May 14th and 15th at Town Point Park. Get on Festevents.org for more information, and then be sure to look on my Facebook group, facebook.com/group/Virginia Eats and Drinks, for these recipes. And I'm also going to be having some other surprises too. So we'll see you then. Until next time, bon appetit!